Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokce Design. So once you have the image pulled up, I want you to click on the adjustments layer and then click on Hue/Saturation icon. And then click on the hand icon. Then click on address. Now you can play around with the hue settings. Select a color you like. Let's say we pick red. And play around with saturation. Can mess around with lightness. Now notice this works well when there aren't any colors in the background. Watch what happens when I pick an image with colors in the background. So go back, repeat the steps, click on the hand tool, click on address, watch what happens in the background. So to avoid changing the background, we need to create a selection on the mask first, and then we can fill the mask with black. So the way you do that is by selecting the polygonal lasso tool, and I'm going to create a selection, create a rough selection, doesn't need to be super accurate. And then I'm going to click on select inverse, and I'm going to fill the inverse selection with black, which is my foreground color right now. So I'm going to go to edit, fill, and my foreground color is black. So I'm going to click on OK. Watch what happens in the adjustments layer. It will turn black for my selection, which means that it's hidden. So only the dress is visible. So now if I play around with hue, you'll notice that only the color in my selection changes. Do you have any questions? Let me know in the comments.